Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anaí. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of these amazing reno videos that I have for you. It's been lots of work day and night, just fixing, trying to make the best out of it. Here is a clip of the kitchen. It has an ugly door, holes on the wall, a broken window. It has so many things wrong with it. But we continued working by sanding the wall that was already done and covering all the imperfections. Ta-da guys! Look how amazing this kitchen looks. I cannot believe that this is that same kitchen, that ugly, crusty kitchen that was there. We did go ahead and change out the doors. Well, not we, because I didn't help him. He actually had a friend come over and help him with the door. And we didn't replace the window just yet because we do have a time limit to move in, so we just put a board on that for now. But look how amazing it is coming out, and I just wanted to go ahead and film you guys this video before we get started on this floor. Look how amazing this color is. It is a dark gray, and here's just a little clip on how we put some floor down and how easy it is to just install. And if we can do it, guys, anybody can do it. Like, if you want to replace that floor in your kitchen, go for it. You know, just don't be scared. We did put this underlayment, like this little sponge on the bottom of the floor, so whenever we step on the floor won't crack. And we did make sure that we did not put the floor onto the end of the wall. So here you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this clip, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit. So there you go, guys. This is pretty much it of part 2. We did put the floor down and it looks super nice, and we did actually move in without being done with the house. But putting the floor down, now that we have been doing it daily, we have more experience, and the cuts are just coming in faster and easier to install. So don't miss out in the next part of this adventure, and I hope you guys stay with me, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye guys.